Approximately 6 years ago, I attended a Mid-Am board meeting. At that meeting, it was requested that we treat all state and district meetings just as USA Hockey would treat a national tournament. For our state and district tournaments, we would like to have no less than a level 3 official. They must have completed their background check and their safe sport. For both tournaments, local supervisors will recommend nothing but the best of the best for that particular year. And at the site of the state tournament, we would like to use no less than 50% of the local officials. For the district tournament, we would like to have the officials have skated at least one state tournament and been rated as competent for that level. The Mid-Am board has asked that we use only the best of the best. The invitations that the local supervisors will use will be based on the current year's work, and that should get to where only the cream of the crop will be used each and every year. It'll eliminate the good old boy assignments and create a more competitive atmosphere. That being said, we still need to have approximately 50 to 70% veteran officials out there to help the new guys. We'd need 30 to 50% of the new up-and-comers. Of that group, only the best officials working that tournament will move on to the finals. So how do we get there? Let's assume the tournament has 15 working officials. We'd like to have everyone referee at least one game and have 2 linesman slots. We'll have supervisors at every game, and every official will get supervised. Now we know that there will be 2 semifinal games and a final game. That'll leave us needing 3 referees and 9 linesmen. Only the best referee and the top 2 linesmen will work in the final game. Getting there is a logistical nightmare which has been made easier for the supervisors by the Minnesota referee-in-chief, Steve Tatro. Last year at the Tier 1 National Championships, he shared with me the following ranking system. Each supervisor will supervise every official and then rank the officials 1 through however many referees there are and 1 through however many linesmen are working the tournament. To help accomplish that goal, we have developed the following ranking system. Each supervisor should know what a referee and a linesman should be doing in each and every game. A 5 shows that a referee or a linesman has done the job like it should be done. A 4 has made some mistakes but is good. 3 is an average. 2 is below average and needs some work. And 1 is a very poor showing for that position. It's very unlikely that all the officials working a tournament will rate 5s, but you will have several that reach 5. So you need to keep notes on each and every one of the officials to help you determine which of the 5s are the top officials. Now, why is this important? Well, when we only have a need for 3 referees, 2 for the semifinals and 1 for the finals, in the example up on the screen, we have 4 officials that were rated as 5s. Only 3 of them will be skating in the semifinal and final games. At the conclusion of the round robin, each supervisor will turn in their ranking sheets. The ranking sheets are then entered into a spreadsheet which will then show each official's ranking. This is where the fun begins for the supervisors. The spreadsheet will show each rank for every official and then what the average score is. At that point, the supervisors will use the data on the spreadsheet and their notes to determine the final rankings of the top officials. This will be repeated for the referees and the linesmen. The top referee and the top 2 linesmen again skating in the final game. For this system to be fair and accurate, all officials must commit up front to work the entire tournament for the weekend. No second round assignments will be based upon anything other than the performance of that weekend's performance. Using this type of system most likely will ruffle some feathers at the beginning, but eventually the benefits to Mid-Am are multiple. As we know with competition, the cream always rises to the top, and you have to be the best to move on at any level. We will help develop, with our new and up-and-comers, the next generations of officials, and we'll be doing that every year. It will stimulate competition from the veteran officials and eliminates the complacency that we do see from time to time in the good old boy veteran system.